the elevation of the given point using substance bar method. Okay, what is a substance bar method? Okay, so far we discussed about tachometer, theodolite. That means using instruments. We have done so many experiments. Okay, using tachometer and using theodolite. So far, we have 7 experiments. Okay, but here the substance bar is entirely new material, new instrument. Okay, substance bar is entirely a new instruments. So using this substance bar, we are going to find out the distance as well as height, elevation height of a object or a given point using the substance bar method. Okay, so what is a substance bar? First of all, the substance bar is a graduated bar. Okay, this is actually a substance bar. Can you able to view this picture?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is a like a scale. Okay, it's like it look like this long scale. In both the scales, in both the ends, substance bar graduated bar of fixed length mounted horizontally on a tripod stand. This is a tripod stand. So in this tripod stand, we are going to fix this scale like bar. Okay, bar means nothing but scale. Okay, so it is a substance bar is like we are going to fix the scale over a tripod. Okay, the bar is centrally supported on leveling head. So you have attached this bar with this tripod at centrally. Okay, at the mid tripod at midpoint of the scale. So this substance bar with the tripod. Okay, leveling head, and it is fitted with the sighting devices at the center. At its ends, okay, it has 2 ends, right? In this scales, you can find 2 end. Okay, these are targets. These 2 ends are act as a targets, and these are fixed distance apart. Okay, so from the center, both the targets are positioned at fixed distance. Both the targets are positioned at distance. For example, 2 meter from the center or 1 meter from the center, like that. Each targets are positioned from the center at equal distances. Okay, the bar can rotate about the vertical axis in a horizontal plane. You can able to rotate this bar along the vertical axis in a vertical plane. It can be fixed at any position. You can use this kind of substance bar anywhere wherever you need it. To find out the distance as well as elevation of a point, you can use this substance bar anywhere. It's an easy instrument. Okay, it's not like a theoretic tachometer. It's a very easy instrument when other mode of instruments. Okay, so it is used to measure horizontal distance. For what purpose we are using the substance bar is it is easy to measure horizontal distance and difference in elevation. Difference in elevation means difference in height. Okay, indirectly where the terrain is rough and requirement of accuracy is not high. Okay, so when the terrain, okay, what is called terrain? Terrain is nothing but land condition. When the land condition was not good and you're not necessary, you no need to take a absolute reading. At the time you can use this substance bar method. Is it clear what a substance bar method? Is it clear or not? Substance bar is nothing but it is actual scale, wooden steel scale. You saw the steel scale, right? I saw the steel scale. Okay, it's like steel scale. Its length was about 4 meter. Its length was about 4 meter. We need to fix this substance bar over a tripod at the centrally. Okay, at both the end of this bar, at both the end of the substance bar, we are having a targets. The targets are fixed from the equal distance from the center. Okay, fixed at a equal distance center of the tripod. Usually, we are using this substance for measuring the horizontal distance as well as height, as indirectly, not directly. Directly, we are measuring the horizontal distance as well as vertical distance when the terrain is rough. Okay, when the terrain condition, land condition was very poor, at the time we are using this substance bar method. Is it clear or not? What is substance bar? Have you understand what is the meaning of substance bar? Hello? Have you understand the meaning of substance bar or not? Audible?
Yes, sir.
So this is the working method, how to calculate a vertical distance and horizontal distance. This is the way we are calculating the horizontal distance and vertical distance. For example, okay, so see in this picture, there will be 3 points, O, A and B. There will be 3 points are there. So in this point, in this O point, we are going to fix the theodolite instruments. We are going to fix the theodolite instruments or tachometer instruments. Based on your convenience, you can use either theodolite instruments or tachometer instruments. Okay. So apart from this, okay, once if you fix this theodolite, okay, after some certain distance, measured distance in a unmeasured distance, okay, in a unmeasured distance, you place this substance bar. You place this substance bar. Okay, so a schematic diagram of substance bar having a center C fitted with the targets A and B. Okay, I told you in substance bar we are having two targets. I named the target as A and B, and the name of center point of substance bar is C. This is the center point. Okay, this is the center point we are having. Please wait. Okay, this is the center point. For the center point, I named it as C, and two targets are there. This target is A, this target is B. Okay. So two targets A and B. Let's the separation between the target B. Yes. Okay. So the target to discuss. I told you this the length of the maximum length of the scale is 4 meter. Okay. So from the center, left side was 2 meter. You can scales wherever you adjust is available. If you need 3 meter means you just adjust. If you need 2 meter means you adjust the scale by simply comparing the scale in getting adjusted. Okay. So after adjusted from the center line, you have to measure the distances from the center line, from the center of the tripod. You have to measure the distance of two targets. From here to here, how much distance? From here to here, how much distance? You need to measure before the of instrument. Okay. Okay. Or is perpendicular to the line of sight OC. So here I told you at the point O you are fixing your tachometer or theodolite. At the point O you are fixing your tachometer or theodolite. Okay. So once you fix your tachometer theodolite, first you need to focus this point A. First you need to A. Okay. So, and you do all the adjustments. I told I have you remember in theodolite we are having two setups. One is called horizontal circle, other one is called vertical circle. In horizontal circle, we are having vernier from 0 to 60 degree. In vertical circle, we are having a reading of 0 to 360 degree. Have you remember or not? The same thing. Once if you focus the point A, okay, you need to focus the point A. After that, you need to set up the value 0 to 360 degree in the horizontal circle as well as vertical circle. Okay, once if you set up all those things, okay, you need to tight the lower clamp screw. Okay, you need to two screws are there. Have you remember in theodolite we are studying two screws. One is upper clamp screw, other one is called screw. Two screws are there. Okay, so if you want to rotate before rotating the telescope, you need to tighten the lower clamp screw. You need to tighten the lower clamp screw and release the upper clamp screw. Okay, tighten the lower clamp screw, release the upper clamp screw. Now you just rotate the telescope towards point. So once you focus the point A, you set up your instruments reading as 0 to 360. After setting this reading, you need to tighten your lower screw and releasing the upper screw and rotate the telescope towards point B. Okay, rotate the telescope towards point B. Okay, now you get an angle, right? From 0 to B, you get an angle. Is it or not? Okay, you're getting one angle. Okay, say it is a 70 degree or 60 degree or 75 degree, like that example I'm told you. Okay, that angle you taken it as a theta. That angle you taken it as a theta. Okay, so using this theta value and s value, okay, you can find out the value of d. You can find out the value of. Okay, what is the formula of D given here? D is nothing but D is equal to OC. This length is called OC. The distance between the tachometer and the substance bar is the distance. Okay, that for finding this distance, the distance value D is equal to S by 2. What is called S by 2? S is nothing but distance between the each targets. Distance between the each target is the S value, and theta is nothing but the angle measured between the point A to point B. Angle measured between the point A to point B is called theta. So if you substitute all these values, you get the value of D. You get the value of distance D. Okay. So after this, we need to find out the vertical distance. How do you find out the vertical distance? Okay. If the vertical angle of center of the substance bar is beta, then the difference in elevation V between the center of bar and the center of telescope is V is equal to D into tan beta. How do you calculate the beta value? Okay, now I told you how to calculate the D value. Is it or not? After finding the B value, you need to calculate the V value for the D. So this value. Okay, that we will discuss it in next slide. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So let's take an example here. I'm taking an example here. Okay. So the horizontal angle. Is it visible or not? The page is visible or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So here they're giving a question. The horizontal angle observed at a theodolite station by a substance bar with vanes 2 meter apart is 0 degree 30 minutes. Find the horizontal between the theodolite station and substance bar. If the bar is 1 degree out from the normal direction of sight, determine the error in the measurement of horizontal distance. So here we are going to find out. This is a problem they are given. So first we need to set up an instrument. Okay, first we need to set up a instrument. Is the whiteboard visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, first you need to fix instrument point. First you need to fix a instrument point. Okay, name of the instrument point is O. Okay, first you set up an instrument. Okay, in this instrument point, you say either set up a tachometer or theodolite. Tachometer or theodolite. Two instruments. You can use any one instrument from these two. Okay, after this, you need to select one point. Okay, you need to select one point. We don't know the distance in between these 2 points. We don't know the distance. Approximately, you are fixing any one point. Okay, so there you're going to fix the substance bar. There you're going to fix the substance bar. In substance bar, we are having two ends. Okay, the first end, okay, at both the ends we are having a target. This is a target. Like this we are having. Okay, like this we are having. Okay, so this is substance bar and this is it was connected with the tripod. Okay, so from here to here we need to measure the distance. From here to here we need to measure the distance. So here we are fixing a tachometer. Okay, I named this point as A and this point as B and this point as O and the center point is C, right? Point is C. First, okay, in tachometer, using this tachometer, first you need to focus A point using a telescope. In tachometer and theodolite, we are having a telescope. Using the telescope, you need to focus this A. First, you need to focus the point A. Okay, so there you need to set the reading value. Okay, 0 degree, 360 degree, 0 degree in one vernier and 360 degree in one vernier. You need to set up this. After setting this angle, you need to rotate the telescope in clockwise direction. You need to rotate the telescope in clockwise direction. So what to do? Okay, so you just rotate like this. The telescope is rotated. Because of that, an angle is created. Because of that, an angle is created. Okay, that angle is called theta. That angle is called theta. Okay, so that you have to measure. So in this question, they are giving the value, theta value as. Okay, in this question, they're giving the theta value as 0 degree 30. Okay, they're giving the theta value as 0 degree 30 minutes. Theta value is equal to 0 degree 30 minutes. It comes like this, 0 degree 30 minutes. Okay, and one more thing they are giving in question. substance bar with veins 2 meter apart. Okay, so from here to here it was 2 meter. From here to here it was the target length. Okay, target center is 2 meter here and 2 meter here. Okay, so 2 meter from the distance from this point to this point, this from the center point to this target is 2 meter, this center point to this target is 2 meter. So what is the formula of d? D is equal to 1 by 2. D is equal to 1 by 2 into s 2 cot theta by 2. Cot theta by 2. This is the formula, right? 1 by 2 into s into cot theta by 2. We are having the theta value and we are having the s value. If you simply substitute this value, okay, we can find the d value. We can find out the d value. So d is equal to d is equal to 1 by 2 into s. What is s value? What is s value? S value given pa in question.
Yes, sir.
What is the s value given in question? S value is 2 meter.
2
Okay,
meter.
2 into cot theta value. What is theta value?
30
Not 0 degree 30 minutes. Okay, 0 degree 30
minutes.
minutes divided by 2.
2.
Okay, so how do you find out the d value? I simply substitute this value. Please wait, I will open my calculator. The calculator is visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so first we need to find out the cot 0 degree. So 1 by 2 is nothing but 0.5. 1 by 2 is nothing into 2 into cot 0 degree 30 minutes divided by 2. Okay, 0.30 divided by 2. I think 0.15. So cot 0.15. Therefore, B is equal to 0.5 into 2 into what is cot 0.15? What is cot 0.15? So 0.15 cot. So what is the cot 0.15? 381.97. 381. What's the value, pa? 381.
97, sir.
Okay, 381.97. 381.97. Substitute 381.97 into 2 into 0.5. Okay, which gives you how much? Same length. Okay, so the distance is equal to 381.97 meter. 381.97 meter. Okay, so like this way we are finding the distance between the tachometer to the substance bar. Okay, as indirectly we are not using any tape and all. We are not using any tape or any other instrument. Simply using this substance bar method we have find out this d value. Clear? Is it clear or not? Have you understand? Please kindly reply. Okay, with this the 8th experiment is over. With this the 8th experiment number 8 is over. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, very simple instrument. Simply we take the reading. After taking the reading we need to substitute the formula and find out the distance value. Okay,
Distance value. Okay, sir.
please wait, I will take attendance. Please wait. Yeah, yeah. Yes. Just tell me.
No, sir.
Yeah, yeah.
No, sir. No, sir. Class over, sir.
That's why I'm telling, pa. Eighth experiment is over. That's why I'm telling.
Okay, okay.
I'm telling that only. Eighth experiment is over. Any doubt you are having, please ask me. That's why I'm telling.
Okay, okay. Tachometry related, no, sir. This experiment, sir.
Tachometer and substance bar.
Okay, sir. Okay.
देखो हमरा शादी नहीं करना है तो नहीं ना
Okay, Bamboli. I think
Yes, sir.
I will download attendance. Sorry. Okay. Why? Because some of your names are not there, right? I will download the attendance list. Okay, and I share to your class. No issues. Okay.
ओके सर
Thank you.